In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Cisco Packet Tracer from the official Cisco website. Cisco Packet Tracer is a free networking simulation program that lets you build, configure, and test computer networks on your computer without any hardware. It is created by Cisco Networking Academy to help beginners learn networking. To get to the website, I'm going to type netacad.com into the browser. netacad.com is an official Cisco website owned and operated by Cisco Systems. In order to get the Packet Server software, you need to register with your email address. Now, in order to do so, I'm going to go over to Login. Click on Login. And here we have the email. Now, you don't use this first box. This first box here is for registered users. Like if you were already registered and you want to get onto this site, you would type your email address in there and click Login. But in this case, for new users, you will go to the bottom here. And you have a choice between Google and don't have an account, sign up. This is the one that I would recommend. Using Google is a bit more simple, but then your registration is tied to Google. So to avoid any complications later, my recommendation is to use this option here. Just click on sign up. So here you'll be asked your country or region of residence. So I'm going to click on this drop down box and I'm going to select Canada, where I'm located. And for the state, I'm going to click on that drop down box and click on Ontario. Now, my year of birth. Now, this is a demo account. This is not my real year of birth I'm going to select. This account was created just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to select 1987. And the month of birth, let's select March. And click continue. Now you're going to put your first name and your last name here. For my purpose, I'm just going to type demo, D-E-M-O. You would put your first name here. Now I'm going to put training over here. Okay. Now under here, I'm going to type the email address that I'm going to be using, which is demo training 1A. This is not the email address that we use for any reason. Nobody's going to monitor this email. This is just being used for demonstration purposes. At gmail.com. This way we don't have to block anything out for security reasons, so that the instruction will be clear and easy for you to follow. Okay, so now I'm going to pick a password here. This password is given to you, but it is very difficult to remember this, so I would suggest that you choose your own. So I'm going to click on choose your own, and I'm going to pick a password. You just want to pick a fairly strong password for yourself here. Okay, and type it again down here. All right, and then you click create account. You may want to read this. I've already read this many times, so I'm just going to bring it all the way down. Okay, and click on I have read once you are satisfied. And under here it said I would like to receive communication updates, etc. I don't want to receive communication updates, so I'm just going to click accept and continue. Now here on this page, you can go up to explore and click right here on explore on this little arrow. Click there. and you'll get a drop down menu. Go right to the bottom and click on Cisco Packet Tracer. And right up here, you're going to click on Getting Started with Cisco Packet Tracer. It says here, self-paced instructor-led course. A lot of people right at this point think it's going to cost them something. This is where many people try to skip this point and they run into trouble. This does not cost you anything. This is totally free. You don't have to do the course. You just have to click on the link in order to get your Packet Tracer software. If you don't click on this link here, you're not going to get it, okay? You click on it, it's free, you're not being charged, you don't have to worry about that, okay? So I'm going to click on this, and right here, you're going to click on Getting Started with Self-Pace, okay? So I'm going to click here. So now, right here, it says scroll to begin, and you see the down arrow. So I want to scroll downwards. So I'm going to scroll down. And here it is until I see this green circle here. And right over to the right of it, here's the link to get your software. So you're going to click on this link. And then you scroll down again. And here it is. You have three choices. It says here to obtain and install your copy of Cisco Packet Tracer. Please follow these simple steps. Step 1, download the version of Packet Tracer you require. Now, if you have a Mac, you would download this one, so you'll click on that. If you have Ubuntu, you'll click on this one, and Windows will be this one. Now I have a Mac in my case here, so I am going to click on this very first one here. So in the next video, I'll show you how to install this on your computer. And you should find the file in your downloads folder.